Hi guys, it's Matt again from ResQ-Technology. Here we have a Samsung Galaxy Ace, and this is basically a tutorial how to successfully strip down this Galaxy Ace to be able to change the screen on it if you have broken the screen. What we do need for this, tools wise, we need a Phillips screwdriver, which we have here, a prying tool. This is a double-sided one. You've got a big one and a small one on both sides. What we also need as well is a pick. You can buy these tools on our website at www.resqtechnology.co.uk, $4.99 for the whole toolkit. If you do need help to do any repairs, you can contact us and we can do them if you're not confident in doing them yourself. We don't take any responsibility if you are taking upon yourself to repair your own handset. If you do need any parts, any tools, anything you need to help you fix your phone, please visit our website. So let's start with this Galaxy Ace. First we take the back off. Okay, move that to one side and then remove the battery. And start removing the screws. I believe there's seven screws in this handset. It shouldn't take too long to remove them. Okay, and then just put the screws to one side. Come out. Come out. But from that you can get your prying tool, and this is the bezel bit. You just slide underneath, slowly picking out. And as you see from that angle, slowly need to just wiggle it out. It will come. Just needs a bit of prying to get it off. With the Galaxy Ace, they're very simple to repair. I don't know if you can see now. Here you have, basically this is the microphone, standard salute slot, camera, etc. You do have the power button here. You will need to get your prying tool and just try and just lift that up, because if you try and remove the logic board, you could rip that little ribbon there. We don't want to rip that, otherwise you won't be able to power it on. Same for the volume buttons. You also have a little, you can see that, just a little ribbon cable. You just need to lift that and push that forward. Okay, and then just slowly you need to just pry off the logic board. It is clipped on the other side. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's clipped on the other side, just there. So be careful when you do remove it. Just slowly pick that off. And then there's the logic board. That's the one side. The last thing with this, you can actually replace. This is the headphone jack and the loudspeaker. You can actually just pick that off and just wiggle it off. It does take. You don't want to force it. If you force it, you can actually break the logic board, but let's leave that on there. This is the rear camera. This is a lot easier to remove. If you do have a problem with your rear camera, this is how you remove them. It's just a simple little ribbon cable. Feed that through. And then pop that back on. just like that. Yeah. Put that aside. This is a LCD unit with your home button, which you can replace if you need to replace that. It's just a little plastic home button. It just fits straight back in there. So we're going to go ahead and replace the whole LCD front unit because this one doesn't work. So let's go ahead and place the logic board back in its slot. This is the proximity and the speaker. And this is just going to fit back in the slot and just clips back into place there. And then we have to do this in a little bit of reverse. So you can see, if you remember, this is where the LCD just tries to fit in. So we have to sort of try and, without, because this is the power button here, and it is soldered to the logic board. So you want to be careful not to rip that. So push that outside, and then use the make sure it is down on all corners. You don't want half of it to work, half of it not to work. As you can see, just slot it back in. Place the microphone back and stick down the power button to its side. Don't forget this ribbon here, which you need to clip back down, which is your front camera, speaker, and proximity sensor, camera, etc. to the front. We need to basically put this cage back on it. So because of the charge port here, I put it in that way, just so it slots in. Just with a little bit of pressure and push down, it does all clip back into place, and then you just tighten up those screws. Again, don't want to just finger tighten the screws. You don't want it too tight, because you don't want to warp the heads and make it more difficult to undo it next time if you're unfortunate to break the screw again. There we go, guys. Placing the screen on the Galaxy Ace. It's very straightforward. As I say, it's got 7 screws, 2 ribbon clips. Can be done in about 10 minutes. If you do have sort of any questions and you want to ask away, please contact us at ResQ-Technology.uk. We are on Twitter, Facebook, Google+. Search for us, ask for any questions that you may need to ask. If you're not confident in any repairs, you can contact us. I believe for us to change the screen on a Galaxy Ace, I think it's only like £36, and that does include return delivery. If you, have any questions, give us a quick call, and we'll be happy to help you. And thanks for watching.